It was all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine. Welcome back to Cooking with Candyman. The weather here has taken a bit of a turn. It's cold, wet, grey, so it's time for some comfort food. After the weekend I've got some potatoes and leeks left over, so I'm going to make a leek and potato soup.
Super.
This is going to be about 15 minutes of prep and then about 45 minutes of cooking time. It's really simple and really tasty. Let's do the ingredients. For this, we're obviously going to need some leeks and potatoes. We also want a stick of celery, an onion, a clove of garlic, some butter, cream and chicken stock. Now if you wanted to make this vegetarian, you can use vegetable stock. Let's cook. So I have 450 grams of leeks, which I'm going to slice in half and then chop. I have the same amount, 450 grams of potatoes, which I'm going to peel and finely dice. I've got one stick of celery, which I'm going to chop up. I've got one onion, which I'm going to peel and then chop. And then I'm going to crush my garlic clove. Now that's all ready, we can start to cook. Get a large heavy bottom pan on the stove on a high heat. Add 50 grams of butter and a glug of olive oil. Wait for that to melt. Once that's melted, turn down the heat. Add your onion and your celery. Give it a stir and let it cook for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, your onions and leeks should start to soften but not colour. Then we're going to add our potatoes, our leeks and our garlic. Give all that a stir. Cover with the lid, and then we're going to cook that for about 15 minutes on a low heat, stirring it every so often. After 10 minutes, add 850 ml of whatever stock you're using. Give it a stir. Cover and cook for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, your potatoes should be nice and soft. At this point, grab a stick blender, give it all a blend. Add some salt, some pepper, 200 ml of cream, and then give it another blend. Check the seasoning. That's good. Now bring it up to the boil and it's ready to serve. At this point you could also cool it down and keep it in the fridge for a few days, or even freeze it and save it for a rainy day. To serve, ladle into a bowl, add some creme fraiche, and finish off with some pepper and freshly baked bread.